Welcome back, comic collectors and diecast enthusiasts, to another episode of Crib's Garage, because it is time for a Labor Day weekend super haul. Alright. First, this isn't part of the haul, but when I moved, I had these for a while, came across these. I think they're pretty funny. I don't collect NASCAR. I just ended up with them. This is Bobby Hamilton, and the funny thing about it is it's so old that Kodak was a sponsor for the car, and Kodak is somewhat like Fiji Films. Kodak's been around for a long time. I don't even know if people even take pictures anymore with cameras, but Kodak was a film manufacturer, and this Bobby Hamilton, was sponsored by him. So I don't know if any of you NASCAR fans, I got 4 of these that anybody's welcome to have to trade or whatever. Let me know if you're interested. I've got that one. I've got this Winner's Circle Driver Deluxe one. I have this kind of Chrome Racing Champions one. So if there's any Bobby Hamilton fans and you're looking for some of his castings, I have these 4 there. Another Racing Champions. So those are just odd in, weren't part of the haul, but I happen to have those in case anybody's interested. And part of the haul starts now. Should have wanted to do this a little bit different, but we'll go ahead and just do it as is. Here's the Mad Manga Batmobile. Some of these I think I might crack open. Like this one. Ooh. There we go. Pull that baby out. Got a better look at it. Interesting little car. Next up, I have the other 70s Batmobile, but not sure if I had this one or not. I know I just did a video on it, so we'll see. This is the newer one from 2021, which I think I do have, but set it aside. And that this is the one I believe is probably one of the first ones in the package. 2011. And we'll just keep those 2 in the package, and then I ended up getting the Redline Club one. Pretty stoked on that. really wanted that one. So I got that one. And then let's see what we got here. And then this, one here, I just picked up at my local Albertsons, or Ralph's. No, maybe it was Albertsons. Kit car. It's got the ramrod. I do have another kit car that's different than this. Doesn't have this front end thing on it. But pretty cool. And then I picked up this 57 Chevy Bel Air. Just the main line, nothing too special about it. Pretty cool. Never have too many 57 Chevy Bel Airs. Then I've got this 47 Chevy Fleetline because of the moon eyes. I think the moon eye livery is probably becoming as popular as the golf livery. Pretty cool lowrider. This thing gotta get a level. Alright, next up, I need to probably speed this up. Got a lane lowrider, which I think you can adjust it with this motor. It has some kind of a neat thing, gadget. So that's pretty cool. And I picked up a Datsun 620 pickup, go with my mini pickup. Where can I get this? Where can I find some level? Shoot, just maybe do it like that. There we go. Pretty cool. Stuck to that little guy. And I got a Harley Davidson truck. 40 Ford truck. This is from 2000. Pretty cool. Go just nice with my motorcycle collection. Orange. Cool. Got this red line 4.5 Baja Bug. All red. This is from 2006. There it is. I mentioned before about the split windows, which are super rare, and rag tops you would never turn it to a Baja bug. It's just, you don't do that, you know. But as a Hot Wheel, it'll be fine. Here it is in the classics in pink. A metallic pink. I like the Volkswagen logo on there. Pretty cool. And I got this, not sure I got talked into this. It was only, it's like a newer backwoods bomb. The camper, I'm not even going to open it because, I don't know, maybe I'll trade it or something somewhere down the line. Got this Mach 4, comes with the blades. One seater. These things. Not sure how the blades go on, but they go on somehow. Yeah, anyways, just a cheapie. There's from the Milano, I guess that's the name of the ship, from the Guardians of the Galaxy. Just a stupid little thing to add to my entertainment vehicles and whatnot. So here's a nice black wall Thunderbird stalker. This is 1988 Speed Fleet. I think I have it. Might keep this one in the card. There's a treasure hunt. Purple Passion. It's got rubber wheels on it. Flames. Pretty cool. Add that to the treasure hunts, which I don't really collect, but somehow I happen to come across them every now and then. There's another one. This is Panois. It's got rubber wheels on it. Here's one. This is a pretty interesting Early Times 30th Annual Midwinter Hot Rod Run. This one also has rubber wheels on it. There's the back. That is from 1998. There's a Zamac, kind of a 57 Chevy stock car. Pretty cool. Let's see. What we got here? Oh, And we got the green gasser, which you guys have seen all these, so I don't need to pull them all out. I got to go through my gasser collection and see what I have and what I don't have. I don't think I have this one. No, I didn't have this one. Yeah, I don't think I had the gold one. Now my gasser collection is starting to build, and I think I may or may not have this one. I'm not sure. I'll have to dig through those. Then I got me another really cool zinger. This is a 1973 Pontiac GTO Boss. Very cool. I got these two drag buses. I might have the Flash Gordon, and I might have that red one. I can't remember. Bad memories. We'll have to see before we open those up. And then got the Blues Brothers, Jake and Elwood's Bluesmobile. I know I got something, but I'm not sure if it's the same one, so we'll have to wait and see if I open that one up. There's another one from Dodge 1977 from the Terminator. So I gotta have that one. And then this is very funny. This is the town that I live in. Oceanside Police 2015 Nissan GTR. I know what it's like to be in the back of one of those. And it's funny to have the Oceanside one. That is pretty funny. So I got that, had to have it. Got some M2s. Got this little, kind of like the Hot Wheels combi. Cool combi. There's the nice Camaro. So hot here in California. I don't know if it is where you guys are at, but I'm in my storage just to get through this. So I'll do another video cracking some of these open for you. For right now, I just wanted to show you what I picked up. There's that Eldebrock equipped van. And the last one is the Moon Eyes one. So that's it. That's it for the haul. I hope you guys had a long and fun, safe Labor Day weekend. It's been hot. It's been too hot to do anything. I'm going to get out of here and before I melt. And hope you guys have a great week. Happy hunting.